Hi.
Hello. How can I help?
I installed a Defiant 32648. I get power to the display, but it doesn't turn the lights on and off. I switched the line and load, and it still doesn't work.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just today I did single pole install.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Know that there is a red, black, white wire in the ground. When do you think I will get an awswer?
Hello, my name is. I will be happy to answer your home improvement or electrical question. Also note that the website may be sending you a telephone offer. The offer is not originating from me. Therefore, disregard the phone offer as it is only an option. 1. Does the wall box contain a group of white neutral wires that are spliced together but not terminated to the original three-way switch?
I think so. Let me send a pic. Here is. The display on timer works, but it doesn't turn lights on and off.
1. Do you have a neutral conductor terminated to the defiant? 2. Is the timer wired to the line or load side of the circuit?
There is a neutral. I did single pole install. The old switch used black, neutral, red and ground and worked fine. Does this timer need traveler wires to work? I don't think it's three-way.
1. From how many wall switch locations did the original switch control the lights? 1 or 2 separate wall switch locations?
Do you think the switch is defective?
Okay, then that is a single pole application. 1. Your line and load wires may be reversed. Do you have a 2-wire lead AC voltage tester, a contact type, or a multimeter to confirm the line side circuit feed wire?
I reversed them and still had same problem. I know they work because the old light switch worked this morning. I have done it with red high and black low and black high and red low, and it still doesn't actually turn the lights on. But power does go to the timer and the actual timer interface works.
1. Kill power to the breaker, then remove the white, black and red. Spread the wires apart so they don't short out. Restore power to the breaker. Can you measure 120 volts from the white neutral to either the black or red? If so, which hot wire color can you measure, the black or the red? 2. Do you have a 2-wire lead tester or a meter?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay.
It's the red.
1. Okay, the red is the line wire and the black is the load wire. 2. If you reverse the line/load wires without killing power to the breaker, always a possibility that the switch is defective.
What should I do? I killed power and reversed because it wasn't working. I had the black to the load originally. I wonder if it was already defective. Do you have a simple timer you would recommend?
Sounds like a defective switch. Your wiring is correct for a single pole. 1. Intermatic sells a good timer that does not require a neutral. See this link, https://www.hamadepot.com/p/intermatic 15 amp astronomic digital in wall timer white STO1K/205478792.
Thanks, Kevin.
No problem, glad to assist. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.